guys, we're back with Petunia's puppies. And they ate their mash. And I'm actually going to be looking here. Let's see. So we still have available, we have Miss Poochie is still available. And she is a sweetheart. You can see she's very comfortable being on her back. I know you're such a sweetheart. You are. There's Miss Poochie. They're all very sleepy. They got their bellies full. And Duke is still available. He's a sweet boy. Poochie's licking my leg. Yeah, did you all get your bellies full? You did. And let's see. So they are loving the crate. So we have several puppies that are available. But we want to do a special congratulations to Kyle in Missouri. There is your new baby boy, Howie. He is precious. Absolutely precious. And he likes to be on his back as well. Oh. Yeah. So congratulations, Kyle, on your baby boy, Howie. He's a sweetheart. And you'll see them playing in here. You'll see they get kind of, they'll roughhouse a little bit. Here's their little cat toy. This will not last once they get bigger. Let's see. Ah, here's Nova. Again, there's Miss Nova. She's sleepy as well. You're sleepy as well. Oh. Oh, let's see what we have here. I know it. I know it. Look how sleepy. Here's Freckles. Freckles is available. He's a sweet boy. Sweet, sweet boy. Right now, he's pretty sleepy. Yeah. That's a boy. Good boy. Ah. And there's Sam. Sam. Very sweet. Sam is available. Are you chewing on that? Let's see. Bosco is in here. Here's Bosco. Here's Bosco. Bosco is available. Can you look at the camera, buddy? No. There you go. Good boy. And then here we have Sandy. Sandy is available as well. So these guys are just a lot of fun. There's Howie. Okay, AussieDoodle fans. A little bit longer video, but that's our available puppies, and congratulations to Kyle. on your little boy Howie. And that's it. Over and out.